Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. We're climbing St Magdalene's Hill in Perth, and I think there might be a geocache up here. So might as well have a look while we're doing this little walk. I'm out with oldest friend, he loves geocaching. He's carrying a bag of poo at the minute. That's what. That's how much he thinks of it. It's very woody. Well, let's go and have a look.
As you can see,
according to the app, we're about 180 metres away. About 60 metres away. Yeah, there's quite a good view from up here. All the way around. Right, so I'm about 28 metres away. Bit of a trek through this ground, this undergrowth. Found it, found it, found it. Yay! Signed it, logged it, popped it back. That's all for this little episode. Don't know whether I'll find any more. If I don't, thank you so much for watching. You know what to do about liking, subscribing. Cheerio. Are you happy to do more geocaching, oldest friend? I think we'll take that as a no.